this new program definitely has very good structure and it's very, very easy to follow. And we definitely rolled straight into it at TS Australia, just moving the cadets through the program very, very quickly. They were engaged. They really, really enjoyed it, and our numbers just crazily spiked.
Well, it's a new curriculum that just recently came out. It has a lot of new electives, a lot of new things in it, like you've got drones, you've got robotics, you've got first aid, you've got skillet arms, and so much new things in there.
The cadets definitely enjoy it a lot. It's definitely been different compared to, pen and paper task book. Now it's more uploading, using Moodle, e-learning, but the cadets at my unit have seemed to pick it up quite well and quite quickly.
So I've completed the initial first level of the physical fitness and wellbeing elective, and I've moved on to my second, which has been submitted for grading. I found a lot of value out of it, a lot more than I was expecting. It was really therapeutic. My sleep was benefited, my study plans were benefited. I can't remember if the budget was in the bronze or the silver, but I stopped wasting a lot of money.
So I really enjoy the more STEM and engineering courses. For example, robotics and drones here, because I hope to achieve some sort of engineering and STEM job in the future. So possibly aerospace engineering as a career, hopefully towards the Navy as well.
Once you've completed your elective programs to level 3 and you've achieved a gold standard, what you'll get along with your brassard patch at a gold level is black and gold cuff rates for your W3 ceremonials and blue and white ceremonial cuff rates for your whites.
Achieving a gold badge is what I would kind of envision for the senior cadets, especially at my unit, because then they are able to use that knowledge, having the level 3 achieved, to teach the electives to the recruits, the seamen, anyone else that might be interested.
When I get to level 3 in drones, I would like to teach other cadets how to use drones safely and effectively, and just let them have fun with all the drones and cool mechanisms that it has.
I found that the newer curriculum, it's a lot more hands-on, there's a lot more physical stuff, and this is very important to me as someone who enjoys teaching and enjoys instructing my fellow cadets. It's much more able to be delivered by cadets to cadets.
So I've got 83 cadets at TS Voyager, and the majority of them wanted to do marine engineering, and about probably 20 or so are doing maritime operations.
I really enjoyed the maritime engineering category as it broke down the big concepts of engineering into little lessons, which made it easier to understand.
I feel as a youth development organisation, the new curriculum adds that extra possibility for leadership, which I think is really important.
It's definitely allowing cadets to take initiative to be teaching these different contents, and with the structure and support that they have from their senior cadets and staff, it is really a great thing to see the cadets growing from their little cocoon to becoming that great person that they are. Do the work, show the initiative, and you will be rewarded with a patch, or with the work that you do. You will see all your efforts in everything that you do every single day.